Yeah, man. Tell them what you think about St. Thomas. St. Thomas?
Listen to me.
Yeah.
St. Thomas is a very good and decent place.
Right.
People should be concerned about developing St. Thomas. People should be concerned about fixing the road, making it easy for people to drive through. It's crushing, it's terrible on people's car, their body, their livelihood. Some people can't even work anymore because of the road. It's ridiculous. Come on, people, you gotta do something. Your councillor, your mayor, whatever they are, whoever they are, they need to do something. People need to wake up and smell the coffee. Come on now. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Look at this beautiful place. Come on. What kind of road is this? From one end of St. Thomas to the other is nasty. Come on. Oh, the cost of transportation is ridiculous for people. It's costing so much money for people to pay for repairs, pay for that. It's just terrible. It's too much. It's just nasty. It's not something that people should accept. Come on, people, do something about it. Government, wake up. Just wake up. It's not right. Because everybody passes through here to go to other places, and it's beautiful, and they love it. But people can't be here because of the way how the road is. What kind of road is this? This is a pothole. Come on now, a pothole. Gee.
So you should be on a subscriber. A resident, a returning resident, a speaker of mine. I want them to take it serious. Don't take it for a joke. Peace. Yeah.